In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to move text on Godaddy Website Builder. Starting your journey with Godaddy's Website Builder is an exciting step towards crafting your online presence. Whether you're setting up a blog, portfolio, or business website, Godaddy offers a user-friendly platform that makes web design accessible to everyone. One of the key aspects of designing a website is the placement and alignment of text. It's crucial for readability and the overall aesthetic of your site. Today, I'll guide you through the process of moving your text to get that perfect layout. Firstly, you'll need to access your Godaddy Website Builder account. Start by navigating to the Godaddy homepage. Look for the Sign In button, which is usually located at the top right corner of the page. Clicking on this will bring up the login panel where you're prompted to enter your username and password. After filling in your credentials, simply click on Sign In to access your account dashboard. Upon successfully logging in, you'll want to locate the website section of your dashboard, and this area contains all your website projects. Find the website you wish to edit and select it. This brings you into the overview of your site's current state. From here, you're looking for the Edit Website option. This is your gateway to the Website Builder interface, where all the magic happens. Inside the Website Builder, navigate through your pages to find the text you want to move. The interface is quite intuitive, with your content blocks laid out visually. Once you've located the text, clicking on it will select the block. This action will reveal a set of tools and options related to text editing and placement. After selecting your text, direct your attention to the right side panel of the interface. This panel is your control center for customization. Here you'll find the alignment options. The alignment feature is crucial for positioning your text perfectly within its section. You can choose to align your text left, center, or right. This option essentially moves your text sideways within the block, allowing you to adjust its position to better fit your design. While navigating through these steps, it's important to keep in mind that the capability to move your text might be influenced by the specific section or layout you've chosen for your page. The flexibility of text movement can vary. Some sections are more rigid in their design, offering limited movement for text blocks. This is a design constraint to ensure that the templates maintain a coherent and functional layout, regardless of the user's customization. If you find yourself in a situation where the text doesn't seem to move as expected, take a moment to explore the properties of the section you're working within. Sometimes switching to a different layout or section type can offer the flexibility you need for your design vision. Remember, the key to a successful website design lies in experimentation and iteration. Moving text and adjusting elements is a process of trial and error. Feel empowered to try different alignments and layouts until you find the perfect balance for your content. In conclusion, Godaddy's Website Builder provides a user-friendly platform for you to create and customize your website, even with no coding experience. Moving text within your site is a simple process once you familiarize yourself with the builder's interface and features. It's all about logging in, navigating to your website, selecting the text, and then adjusting its alignment as needed. And there you have it. You're now equipped with the knowledge to move your text across your Godaddy website like a pro. Whether you're aiming for a polished professional look or a dynamic creative layout, the power of customization is just a few clicks away. Keep exploring, experimenting, and fine-tuning. After all, every great website is a work in progress. Thank you for joining me in this tutorial. Dive in and let your creativity lead the way. Your perfect website design is closer than you think.